You've watched 100 budgeting videos this month, and your bank account is still crying. Let me guess. You know exactly what compound interest is. You can recite Dave Ramsey's baby steps. And you've screenshot more financial quotes than actual dollars you've saved. Here's the brutal truth. You're not broke because you lack information. You're broke because you're addicted to feeling smart without doing the work. You think watching another video about side hustles counts as progress. It doesn't. You think liking posts about millionaire mindsets makes you one step closer to wealth. It doesn't. You're trapped in what I call the knowledge collector delusion, hoarding information like it's going to magically transform your life while you do absolutely nothing with it. Let me shatter 3 lies you're telling yourself right now. Lie number 1. I'm still learning. No, you're procrastinating with extra steps. You know enough to start. You knew enough 3 months ago. The person making 6 figures didn't wait until they understood every investment strategy on the planet. They started with one thing and actually did it. You're using research as an excuse to avoid the uncomfortable reality of taking action. Lie number 2. I'm manifesting my wealth. Stop it. The universe isn't your personal ATM machine. You can't meditate your way to money while sitting on your couch eating cereal for dinner. Manifestation without action is just daydreaming with spiritual seasoning. Rich people don't visualize their success. They create it through relentless, uncomfortable work that you're too scared to start. Lie number 3. I'm waiting for the perfect moment. Perfect moments don't exist. You're waiting for some magical alignment of stars where you have enough money to invest, enough time to start that business, enough knowledge to make the right move. Meanwhile, people with half your education and twice your excuses are building wealth right now. Your timing will never be perfect, but your broke will be permanent if you keep waiting. Here's what's actually happening to your brain. Every time you watch a financial video without acting on it, you get a dopamine hit. Your brain thinks you've accomplished something. You feel productive. You feel informed. But you've done nothing except train your mind to mistake consumption for action. The people getting rich aren't watching videos about getting rich. They're too busy actually getting rich. You want to know the difference between you and someone who breaks the cycle? They picked one thing, and did it for 90 days straight. Not perfectly. Not after more research. They just started. They didn't wait to understand cryptocurrency before opening a high-yield savings account. They didn't postpone starting a budget until they could afford a financial advisor. They didn't delay selling stuff online until they had the perfect product idea. They started messy, learned while doing, and adjusted along the way. Your broke isn't an accident. It's a choice you make every day when you choose comfort over action, information over implementation, and someday over today. Stop watching. Start doing. Pick one financial tip you learned this week and execute it before you watch another video. Cancel one subscription. Sell one thing you don't need. Save $10. Do something that moves money in your life instead of just moving your eyeballs across a screen. Because here's the final truth that's going to hurt. Every day you spend collecting knowledge without applying it is another day someone else is building the wealth you're dreaming about. The choice is yours. Stay comfortable and stay broke. Or get uncomfortable and change everything. What's it going to be?